I welcome you all back to OJ's Health Kitchen and Happy New Year to all my fans. I want to say a big thank you to my old subscribers and thank you to the new subscribers too. So as you guys know, this is OJ's Health Kitchen. In the kitchen, we show you guys how to make a healthy meal from what you have around you in the kitchen. So this video is a continuation of the last tilapia fish that we cleaned up in the kitchen. So after the cleaning procedures, I told you guys that I'm going to carry you guys along when it's time for the full meal preparation. So in this video today, we are going to make tilapia fish stew. This is the fresh fish, as you all can see. This is tilapia fish. So we are going to make a stew out of this. So as the cooking exercise is going on, let me quickly remind us to click the red button on your screen, give us a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section to show that someone somewhere is appreciative of what we are doing. So this is my spring onions being sliced right here, as you can see. So at this point, the aroma in the whole house is so sweet. You can't wait to have a bite of what we are cooking. So this is my pepper. I allow the tomato to fry a little bit, then I introduce my pepper so that it won't get too much in the oil to delay the frying process. So this is my ginger and my onions that I pound. If you cannot pound it, you can grate your own. Then this is my fish spices, and black pepper going in there. The fish spice, the black pepper. As an African lady now, nothing must go to waste. Everything must enter the pot. So this is my thyme going in right there. This is curry going in there, my curry. Yeah, a little stir. This is my crayfish. I added a generous amount of crayfish because tilapia itself will not give you that tasty taste that you really like. So I have to add something to bring up the taste I want. And then this is my salt to taste. So I added a little salt because the crayfish that went in is enough. It has enough taste on its own. So I was very careful. So this is my seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Whatever works for you is what you do. So this is the seasoning I use. Okay guys, let me give you guys one insight into my kitchen hacks. You see this lovely stew you are seeing right now is not going to be consumed today. I did that deliberately. Each time I want to make my fish soup, we don't eat it that very day. We eat it the next day or some hours later. I use that to give the fish time to get soaked into the stock so that every flavor in the spices, in the seasoning that I use will incorporate very well into the fish. Because since the fish was not marinated before I prepared it, the truth be told, if you eat it straight away, you won't really feel those flavors and the taste that you want in the fish itself. But if you eat this fish the next day, you're going to speak in tongues. You're going to like what you eat, because any bite you take will give you that taste you like. Check this out. Tell me this doesn't look appealing to your eyes. This doesn't look nice. This is beautiful. This is lovely. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know that I'm doing something right, guys. So you see this, don't ever forget to eat healthy, because your health is your wealth. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.